This spinning nut toy is absolutely amazing. You will need a hoop of aluminum ring and a few nuts. Take the nuts, they should be loose inside the wire, and weave 5 nuts like this in aluminum wire. Take the ends of the wire, place them together and tape them very tightly. Press the tape so that it's uniform. Now spin the nuts and keep rotating the ring, and the nuts will keep rotating eternally. You can see the nuts spinning over here. You can also take a steel ring, weld instead of taping, and put the nuts. They make a very nice sound. Keep rotating the nuts.